Hello students, how are you? Yesterday I have explained about the reciprocal formula and some identity. But today I will explain about the relation between quotient and the relation between the square, and then I will start the exercise. Okay? So today quotient relation, that here the given tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Second, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. And its third part has given tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. You know how it will be 1? In this way that you can 1, because tan theta into, there has given the point means into cot theta is equal to reciprocal formula. Yesterday I have got 1 upon tan theta. In this way, when you will reduce, finally you will get 1. So in this way, that you can write tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Clear, students? After that, the second, I will explain the identity which is related with the square relation. Square relation. In square relation, there has given sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Clear, students? That these are all identity you must need to learn. Understood? Then you can solve the whole exercise. And obviously your marks will come very nice marks you will obtain, but when you will learn these are all. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this you can obtain cos square theta is equal to 1 minus, you transpose to sin square theta, and that, and now in third case sin square theta is equal to 1, that 1 here you write 1 minus transpose to the cos square theta. Clear? After that, fourth part, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. From this you can make other two parts. Now tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Clear? Then it will be the fifth. Now its sixth part will be when you transpose to these both, and then it will be 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Clear? Now other one plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. From this you can make other two part. When you transpose cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, then it will be the another. When you transpose to the cot square there, then it will be 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So these are all important for the first exercise. So that you have to remember, these are all identities. That first given the quotient relation. In quotient relation between tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta is equal to cos upon sin theta, and third part tan theta is into cot theta is equal to 1. Now next, given the square relation, you are seeing here everywhere has given square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. When you transpose to sin square theta to the right side, then it will be cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. And if you transpose to cos square theta there, then it will be sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So these are all the identities. Clear? It is not difficult, it is very easy. But in starting that you have feel some difficulty to learn it. After learning it will be very easy and you will take interest to solve the sum. So now I will start the exercise. Okay? After that I will start the exercise. You will take the screenshot in your mobile. That's you learn. And then you will start the exercise. Okay? Exercise 10A. Only 10 given. Okay. The first question has given if sin theta is equal to under root 3 upon 2. Find the value of other t ratio. Other t ratio. Clear, students? So now in this question, first of all, you will make the right angle triangle. After making the right angle triangle, that is the A, B and C. Let be there as given the theta degree. Now sin theta is equal to under root 3 upon 2. So you know that sin theta is equal to, in starting I have explained that perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is this, base is this, and hypotenuse is this. So that will be under root 3 upon in perpendicular P upon H. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be there. Clear? Now you have to need base. How you will find the base? By the help of the Pythagoras theorem, you will find BC square is equal to hypo square minus perpendicular square, means AC square minus AB square. Clear, students? So then AC value has given, AC value has given 2 square minus under root 3 square. Finally you will get 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Clear? Therefore BC is equal to under root 1 and then that will be 1. So here you will get 1 you will get. In place of question mark you will write 1. Now you will find the value of other T ratio. So one has given sin theta upon this and other left 5. Total there has given the R T ratio has given only 6. कुल केवल 6 हैं T ratio. उनमें से पहला T ratio sin theta is equal to under root 3 upon 2 has given and remaining left 5. That 5 you will find. So in 5 the first part is sin theta has already given and next cos theta is equal to base upon hypo. Cos theta is equal to B upon H is equal to base has given 1, hypo given 1 upon 2. Clear, students? Now second part, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base, यानी P upon B. So that will be P upon B. Perpendicular is given under root 3 upon 1 is equal to under root 3. Clear? Now third part will be cot theta. Cot theta is equal to just its reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta is equal to B upon P. B base upon perpendicular. So base has comes 1 and perpendicular has comes under root 3. So its value will be 1 upon under root 3. Other two. Now fourth, sec theta. Sec theta is equal to its reciprocal will be cos. Understood? So then sec theta ठीक cos theta का उल्टा होगा. Cos theta का हो जाएगा. तो cos theta होता है B upon H. तो sec theta is equal to H upon B. Understood? So then H upon B. Hypo upon base. So hypo has comes 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. Clear? Now at last fifth part, pair has given T ratio cosec theta. In cosec theta is equal to, it also reciprocal of sin theta, that's opposite. So then there will be the P upon H, but there will be in cosec theta it will be H upon P. H upon P. H has comes 2 and perpendicular has comes under root 3. In this way these are all the answers. Clear, students? In this way it also answer this also these, and these are the answers. In this way other all part you can find in the question number first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Understood? In fourth, some only very minor difference has given, that I want to explain. Question number 4. But question number 1, 2 and 3 are the same type. These are all the same type. But question number 4 also same, but something different, that I will explain here. In question number 4, if cot theta is equal to 2 given only, then find the value of all T ratio of theta. Means find the value of other T ratio. Find the value of all other T ratio. Clear, students? So there has, the T ratio has given 6. In that 6 already one ratio has given cot theta is equal to 2 given, and remaining you will find the 5. In that 5 part you need to find. So how you will find? First of all you make the right angle triangle A, B and C. Clear? So already here given, first part given, cot theta is equal to 2 only given. So 2 means 2 upon 1. When you will divide by 1, then the value will not change. So you can write 2 upon 1. So that 2 will be base and 1 will be perpendicular. So cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Clear? So in this way the base here theta also, base will be here 2 and perpendicular will be 1. In this way you will need to find hypotenuse H. So by the help of Pythagoras theorem, you will find AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB value has given 1 का square, BC value has given 2 square, and then 1 square 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Clear? So therefore AC is equal to that will be under root 5, that will be. So here that's value will be under root 5. Clear, students? Now find the value of all other t ratio. So in other all you will find the first will be from there. First will be sin theta. Sin theta is equal to P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular will come 1 and hypo will come under root 5. Then it will be 1 upon under root 5. Clear, students? Now second part, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypo, यानी b upon h. b upon h. So what the base has given? Base has given 2. So 2 upon hypotenuse will be under root 5. So it also answer, this also answer. Clear? Now remaining other 3. In that third part, it will be third part will be sin, cos, tan. Tan theta is equal to just opposite of cot. Clear? So then tan theta also you will find from the triangle. Then it will be P upon B. Tan theta is equal to, according to identities I have explained earlier. मैं पहले समझा चुका हूँ कि tan theta is equal to P upon B. P upon B. Perpendicular upon base means 1 upon 2. It also answer. Now fourth part will be अब cot already that has given. Cot का भी निकाल देते हैं. Cot theta is equal to b upon p. तो b upon p. Understood? Means 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. Now next fifth part will be sec theta. Sec theta is equal to, it's just opposite of sec theta, cos theta. Clear? In cos base upon hypotenuse. So it will be just opposite, it will be hypo upon base. Clear? Means h upon b. Hypotenuse will come under root 5 upon 2. So it also answer. Clear? Now last 6 will be cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, it's just opposite of sin theta. Clear, students? So sin theta, we say that perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So just opposite of this, it will be hypo upon p, perpendicular. So hypo means h upon p, and under root 5 upon 1 is equal to under root 5 only. Clear, students? Have you any doubt? If you have any doubt, you contact me by the WhatsApp, okay? And you must learn these all identity, and then you can solve the remaining all sums, okay? Some questions I was forward next. Same the question number 5 also same way. Question number 6 is some different, but the way is that method is that, but something given in algebraic expression, so you feel difficult, so that I will explain tomorrow, okay? And you must watch and subscribe sure, okay students? Thank you very much. Thank you very much.